Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually check your version of your WordPress account. So to do so, make sure that you have opened your wordpress.com/wp admin, which is the dashboard of your website. If you don't know how to do so, basically you just go to again wordpress.com/wp admin, and you will find this page right now, just like so, and you put your username and email, or email and then password. If you don't have the information of this, that means you don't have an account already. So what you'll have to do is go to the previous tutorials. I have already made a video about how about how to create your new accounts, about how to make your first website, about all this dashboard and interfaces that you will find here. So now, how you can actually check the updates of your WordPress. Alright, for me, I'm here using the WordPress at 5.3.14 version. You can find it in the section in here. You can actually update it to the latest version, as you can see, which is 6.1.1, by getting into here and please update now. Because also from this section, which is called updates, you can download everything that has update anything that has run of dates in your website. For example, I have templates. You can also have plugins that are out of date. For me, I don't have any plugin, but if I installed any plugin and it is out of date, once again it will be showed in here, or it will be showed somewhere in here, so like that. Also, for those who want a specific version of WordPress, you can just go and download that WordPress version in your PC. For example, me, I have this oldest version, which is made like in 2019 or 2020 or 2020, and I'm still using it. So how you can get it? You can just go to Bitnami localhost WordPress and download that version, and you will be able to localhost it on your PC and do whatever you want with it on your PC. So yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.